ETM is an electric tractor with strong stability. Wide variety of coupling systems for many different trailer types. Clearly visible, easily accessible coupling. Compact, user-friendly design. They are equipped with efficient electric motors that provide strong pulling power for heavy loads. They typically have adjustable speed settings to accommodate different load sizes and operating conditions. With advancements in battery technology, electric Tiger trucks offer longer operating times and quicker charging capabilities for continuous use. These vehicles are designed for towing and moving heavy loads within industrial and warehouse settings.